शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः. In previous classes, we had seen Sanskrit sentences of 28th lesson, and few are remaining. We'll finish those and we'll go into English sentences. So, is it visible? Okay. Page number 17117, I guess. Here we were. I will go quickly through all the sentences with meaning. मुनयः वनौकसो अभवन् वनौकसः अभवन्. So, munis, sages, they are forest livers. They became forest dwellers. Devan divaukasah vadanti. People call devas are the dwellers of heaven. Taniyamsam bhrataram avhaya. Call the younger brother. Kushah lavasya jayan bhrata. The Kusha is a elder brother of Lava. Preyasah janan smarati Krishna. Bhagwan Lord Krishna remembers his dear people. Udyantam chandramasam prekshasva. See the rising moon. Tapobhirnabho vyapyate. Sorry, tamobhirnabho vyapyate. The sky is pervaded by darkness. Vasasi parihite kanyaya. The two cloth are worn by Kanya. Shreyase yatate. He tries or puts an efforts for Shreyas, for liberation, the path of liberation. Vidbadbihi upadishtah dasharatah yajnam aharat. The king Dasharatha, who was told by Vidvat people, performs an yajna. Bhimena vakshasi taditah kichakah amuhyata. The Kichaka who was taditah, who was beaten on his vaksha by Bhima, fainted. Shatrun shirassu praharati saha. He strikes upon the head of Shatrus. Manasa harim vrajati. He goes to the Hari by mind, through mind. Tapasam phalam anubhavatu. You experience, enjoy the fruit of austerity. Durvasaha pandavanam vasatim agachat. The sage Durvasa went to the Vasati, the city or the living place of Pandavas, the home of the Pandavas, house of the Pandavas. Bhuyansah atra dhanyasya rashayah vartante. Here there are plenty of heaps of corns. Ramah rakshansi hatva yasho vindata avindata. Ramah, having killed Rakshasas, Rama obtained fame. Gangayaha payansi shvetani iti shuyate. The streams of Ganga or the waters of Ganga, Ganges, is white. Thus heard, or thus is heard. It is heard that Ganga's water is a white in color. Bahuni havyamshi agnau prasyati. Here we stop. So basically, saha bahuni havyamshi agnau prasyati. He offers or he throws havyamshi, the havir dravya, into the fire. So let's continue with next sentence. Nagarasya samipe tasthivat राजसैन्यम् अपश्यम्.
The the Tastivad. Okay. Tastivad is
Pastivat is sitting.
sat, sitting. So near the city,
Hmm.
Rajasainyam. We hold on one second. So the Rajasainya was seen sitting.
Aham apashyam. I saw.
I saw. Okay.
I saw
Near
army. Hmm.
the city, the king's army sat or sitting.
So basically, I saw the army of king sitting near the city. सूर्यस्य तेजसा संतप्तः पान्थः छायाम् आश्रयते. Nandini ji, will you be able to do the sentences, or let's Miraji do? You can go ahead with Miraj.
Okay. Near Suryas, the person who was heated up by the sun's rays, the Pantaha, the traveler who was heated by the sun's rays, he took shelter under the shadow.
अध्युषुषोः जनस्य सम्पदः मनसः अपि अभूमिः अभवन्.
The rich people are living in Dwarka, where beyond the imagination.
Yes. So द्वारकाम् अध्युषुषोः जनस्य सम्पदः मनसः अपि अभूमिः अभवन्. So basically they were too rich, we cannot even imagine. So it is the atita, manasatita, अथवा it is the beyond imagination what their sampat. So those people who are living in the Dwarka, their sampat, their wealth is shabdatita. We cannot explain it, or we cannot even imagine it, how much they were, rich. वसिष्ठस्य वचांसि श्रुत्वा विश्वामित्रेण सह रामस्य गमनं दशरथः अन्वमन्यत.
Hearing the words of Vasishtha, Dasharatha sent Rama along with Vishwamitra. Sah Rama said,
Anvamanyata means he allowed Rama to go.
He allowed Rama to go with Vishwamitra.
Having heard the vachana, the words of Vasishtha, the gamanam, vanagamanam, going forest, going forest of Rama along with Vishwamitra is considered, or is allowed by Dasharatha. It is not actually the passive, but Dasharatha anvamanyata. Dasharatha allowed what Ramasya vanagamanam अथवा Ramasya Vishwamitrena सह गमनम was allowed. Okay. गुणः गुणस्थानं गुणेषु न च लिङ्गं न च वयः. गुणेषु गुणाः पूजास्थानं भवति, न लिङ्गं न च वयः.
Naha Puja Sthanam. For the Guni people,
Hmm.
the object of worship is gunas,
Hmm.
but not the lingam
Hmm.
or vayaha or
Hmm.
the age.
Not a gender and not a age. So basically, if a person is a guni, whether he is in feminine, whether he is a female or a male or another gender also, it doesn't matter. And why also, whether he is a small kid or a big man, it doesn't matter. But gunas are pujjante, gunaha pujjante. Gunas, the merits are the worshipped basically. Hmm? कैकेय्याः दारुणं वचः श्रुत्वा महाराजः दशरथः सहसा भूमौ अपतत् निश्चेष्टश्च अभवत्.
The Kaikeyi's terrible words
Hmm.
having
Having
heard by the King Dasrath, and he fell down on the ground
hmm.
and become unconscious.
Unconscious or motionless. So basically, having heard the terrible words of Kaikeyi, Raja Dasharatha, the king Dasharatha, suddenly, sahasa, bhumo apatat, he fall down on the ground and became motionless, nischeshtaha, athva unconscious. Hari appeased his mother by his speech.
Harihi
Hmm.
Mataram
Hmm.
Vachas Vachasena
Vachasa.
Vachasa pleased. Please is Santvayati.
Asantvayat.
Asantvayat.
Appeased.
Appeased. Okay.
Hmm. Harihi tasya vachasa mataram asantvayat. Hmm. Narayana's younger brother is at Kashi.
Narayanasya
Hmm.
Panyan Bhrata
Hmm.
Kashyam Asti.
Hmm. Panini speaks of the Vedas as Chandas.
Panini Chandasam Vedasam Iva Vadati.
Dvitiya. Panini Vedan Chandansi
Chandamsi Iva.
iti vadati. Does. Or Vedan Chandansi vadati. That is also fine. Directly Kriya Pada is also fine. Okay. The wind brings pollen from flowers.
Vayuhu Kusumebhyah
Hmm.
Rajah Anayati.
Rajah pollen anayati. Okay. May the glory of the king spread over the earth.
The Yash the Yashaha,
Hmm.
Maharajasya Yashaha,
Hmm.
Bhumau,
Hmm.
spread, prasaratu.
Prasaratu. Hmm. Prasaret. Prasaratu, whatever. Priyamvada went to the Durvasas and begged pardon.
दूर्वासां गत्वा प्रियं वदा क्षमाम् अयाचत.
Durvasasam, it would be. The object is Durvas.
दूर्वाससं गत्वा प्रियं वदा
Hmm. Having gone, or the
क्षमाम्
Priyamvada Durvasasam agachat kshamam cha ayachat. Hmm. Hari saw with his eyes the charioteer driving horses.
I never made sentences, but I'll try. Harihi,
Hmm.
chakshusha,
Chakshurabhyam.
chakshubhyam, sarathin, charioteer, he saw apashyat, charioteer driving the horses, Ashwan, saw with the charioteer. Oh, okay. Harihi, chakshubhyam,
Chakshubhyam.
Sarathin, Ashvebhyah saha, chalitum apashyat.
Harihi. नेत्राभ्याम अथवा चक्षुभ्याम अश्वान चोदयंतम सारथिम अपश्यत. शत्रु प्रत्यय we can make the hari नेत्राभ्याम अश्वान चोदयंतम सारथिम अपश्यत. Next, Rama was waited upon by younger brothers.
waited upon.
Served.
So
Rama was served by his.
Ramah asevat.
No, Rama not asevata. He was served by others.
Ramah bhartrubhrih.
Hmm. Which kind of bhratrus? Younger.
कनियोभ्यः
तृतीया. तनयोभिः भ्रातृभिः रामः असेव्यत. It is a past tense. Asevyata.
Is this a karmani prayoga?
Karmani, passive.
Yes.
The hermitage of the forest dwelling rishis were made of leaves and branches of trees.
Hermitage. Ashrama. Okay. The ashramaha. No. Vanau kasau. Vasan. Rushi ऋषिभ्याम् आश्रमाभ्याम् पर्णे पर्णस्य पर्णयोः पर्णानां मेर् कृतः पर्णानां च शाखायां कृतः.
Okay, let's understand the sentence. What was created? What was made?
आश्रमः.
So that would be in Prathama. Okay, Ashrama. Of whom? Of whose actually?
Of forest dwelling rishis. So
So Shashti Vibhakti.
Rishinam Vanaukasam
Vanaukasam Rishinam.
Rishinam. Okay.
And by what they were made?
Parne Parnebhyah.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Parnaihi.
Paranaihi and
Cha.
branches of trees.
Vrikshanam Shakham.
Shakhabhihi. So Vrikshasya
Shakhabhihi.
Shakhabhihi Paranaihi cha Vanaukasam Ashramaha Nirmitaha Santi अथवा आसन. Okay, so let's go fast. Bhagiratha please Vedas by his austerity.
So Bhagirathah tapobihi vedasam aprinayat.
So Bhagiratha tapasa अथवा तपोभिः plural also fine. Aprinayat. Kam Vedasam Brahmadevam aprinayat. There are lotus flowers in the waters of lake or lakes.
Okay. Lotus flowers. In the waters of the lakes, can I use a saras? Okay. Sarasa. Hold on 1 second. There are lotus flowers. Lotus flowers are Kamala Pushpani. Saras in the Sarasu
Okay.
Sarasu Jaleshu Santi.
Sarasu iti na kartavyam Shashti of lakes, right? So Sarasam Jaleshu Kamala Padmani अथवा Kamala Pushpani Santi. The king reverse learned man.
Then Nrupaha Gnanim Pujayati.
Gnanim Pujayati. Is it? Gnani Shabda, how it will go? What will be the Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Gnani.
Is Prathama Ekvachanam. Dvitiya.
Gnanina.
Jnaninam. Jnaninaha. Plural we will use. Right? Yeah. As a man leaves worn out clothes and wears new one, so the soul leaves old bodies and enters new ones.
Okay. As a man leaves worn out. Okay. Jirnamsi
Jirnaunsi.
No. Jirna is worn, right?
Uh,
Okay. Was worn out clothes. Was vastrani purushaha saha so the soul vasamsi jirnani naroparani.
that one, that one. Yatha
Yatha
जीर्णानि वस्त्राणि विहाय
navani grunani
नवानि गृह्णाति तथैव आत्मा अपि अथवा देही अपि जीर्णानि शरीराणि विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय यथा जीर्णानि वासांसि विहाय नरः अपराणि नवानि वासांसि धरति अथवा गृह्णाति तद्वत् वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्याति संयाति नवानि देहि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि सह अन्यानि शरीराणि अन्यानि शरीराणि जीर्णानि शरीराणि विहाय नवानि शरीराणि संयाति सम्यक् याति इति. Anyway, this was the shloka just put into the English sentences. Raghu conquered the earth by his bow and arrows.
रघुः धनुष एवं शरैः right? च पृथ्वीम् अजयत्
अजयत् राजा रघुः तस्य बाणैः धनुषा च अथवा धनुषा बाणैः च पृथ्वीम् अजयत्. The offerings thrown into the fire are carried by the fire to the gods.
offering.
Mhm.
Okay. The offerings thrown into the fire. Agnav, thrown is prasyati offerings. Havim, havishaha.
Vyumushi is a neuter gender. Havihi, havishi, havyumushi. So Agni.
Havimshi.
Hmm.
Agnav.
Uh,
Thrown is
Astani.
Kshipati.
Kshiptani havyumushi.
Oh, saha. Agnav
Agnav.
are carried by the fire. Agnena. Devam are anayat.
So basically Agnau Kshiptani अथवा क्षिप्तानि अस्तानि हव्यंषि प्रास्तानि हव्यंषि अग्निः not अग्निः अग्निना देवेभ्यः नीयन्ते हव्यंषि नीयन्ते.
This is
passive
passive.
carried by. The people who dwelled in the Ayodhya were happy. Simple.
जनाः अद्युषिवांसः
दूषिवांसः
अयोध्यायां प्रसन्नं भवत् अस्ति और भवति।
प्रसन्नाः प्रसन्नाः सन्ति प्रसन्नाः आसन् अयोध्यायाम् अद्यूषिवांसः जनाः प्रसन्नाः अभवन् after light comes darkness and after darkness comes light.
After. Okay, so after
पश्चात् अनन्तरं पश्चात्
पश्चात्
हम्म,
ज्योत ज्योतिष
हम्म,
after light ज्योतिः पश्चात् no ज्योतिः पश्चात् तमः
गच्छति
अगच्छत् no
आगच्छति
आगच्छति
हम्म,
च
हम्म,
तमस् पश्चात्
तमसः
पश्चात् ज्योतिः आगच्छति
ज्योतिः लाइट इज प्रकाशः अथवा कान्तिः
प्रकाशः
प्रकाशात् पश्चात् अथवा प्रकाशात् अनन्तरं तमः आगच्छति तमसः अनन्तरं प्रकाशः आगच्छति leaving the net on the thrones birds flew into the sky.
पक्षिणः
हम्म
कंटकेषु
हम्म
जालं
हम्म
त्यजत् और त्यक्त्वा
हम्म
राइट
त्यक्त्वा
नभः उडयन्ति
नभसि they flew birds flew उदडयन्त इति passive not passive आत्मनेपद लङ्लकार उदडयन्त उदडयन्त
उदडयन्त
there is very great sin in taking the wealth of poor.
दरिद्रस्य wealth is धनम संहरणे महत् पापं भवति.
Warriors do not mind even death for the sake of fame. Yashah. Okay, here fame means yashah. Okay. Past.
योद्धा है यश कृत्वा मरणं न गण्यते.
यशसः कृते for the sake of यशः यशसे अथवा यशसे अथवा यशसः कृते मरणम् अपि न गण्यन्ते मरणम् अपि न मन्यन्ते. Next, the younger brother followed the elder brother.
The Kanish
कनियान भ्राता कनियान भ्राता
जाय भूयाः भ्रातरम् अनुसरति.
जायांसं भ्रातरम् अनुसरति.
जायांसं अनुसरति.
Okay. अथवा अग्रजम् अनुसरति to make it simple.
Okay, अग्रजम्.
अनुजः अग्रजम् अनुसरति. He obtained many boons from the gods. सः देवेभ्यः अथवा देवताभ्यः बहून् वरान् अप्राप्यत अध्यगच्छत् ओके अध्यगच्छत् नेक्स्ट truth is dearer than life to virtuous.
Gu- Gune, Guneshu, no, Guneshu, not Guneshu, to the virtuous. Guni, Gunin, to the Gunin, Satyam, Jive, Jivebhyaha, dearer is to the virtuous. Gunin, dearer is 1 second.
Priyaha.
Priyaha. Satyam.
Satyam priyam bhavati. So basically, जीवनात् अपि life than life ना जीवनात् अपि सत्यम प्रियम भवति कस्मै गुणिने अथवा गुणिनः टू द गुणीस् गुणिनः अथवा सज्जनानां कृते जीवनात् अपि सत्यम प्रियम भवति. God is sought by his devotees with steady minds.
Sought means
Sought means stick, sought. I
This is
seek
a passive.
God.
Sought is like mrugyati.
Mrugyati, correct. So basically, God is sought. Devaha mrugyate. By whom? By devotees. With steady mind. So,
Bhaktaihi
Bhaktaihi अविचलित मनसैः मनोभिः देवः मृग्यते इति. A learned person is honored everywhere.
Vidvamsaha, Vidwan,
Vidwan,
Vidvamsaha,
singular.
Vidwan, everywhere,
Sarvatra.
Sarvatra, Appujayat,
Pujyate.
Pujyate. But it's honored, it's past tense.
Is honored. Is a passive one.
Okay.
Present passive.
Okay.
Simple present passive. Okay, so here we have completed 27th lesson. We are going to see 28th one. Okay, I thought we are completing 28th. Anyway, in next class we will go with again Vidhi Lillikar, you have to memorize.